How to replace a brake light and indicator light that's not working on a Vauxhall Astra Mark 7. Firstly, remove the panel on the side, and as you can see on the inside you have a wing nut that you need to unscrew. So we'll unscrew this. Once unscrew the lock wing nut at the back, you remove the light. Remove the plug and the red ticker here that you lift up. Remove the plug, and tricky bit, you have 3 secure fixings. You're gonna move one by one and try to remove without breaking. There we go. So I will now replace both of these lamps. Parts ordered from Amazon. The P21W for the brake lamp and the W16W for the indicator lamp. So I'll now attempt to replace these lamps. I've now removed the old bulb, so now I will install the new ones. Slot that one in, and the brake lamp, give it a twist, and that's both in. Now I will attempt to place this back in its caddy. You want to get it into the clips and push that in gently. Make sure all 3 are aligned. It's a bit tricky. Make sure you hear the click. Now, nicely secured in. All 3 clips are securely fixed. Plug this back in and pull the red ticker up and slot it back in place. Okay, that's it. And voila, both lights are now working. Please like, subscribe, share and comment down below.